Twang, twang, a diddle dang, a diddle dang, a twang, twang, a diddle dang, another dang twang, another dang twang, another dang twang. I've been married now for a year or more, and my old guitar hangs by the door. That woman of mine says, "Hawk that, Luke, 'cause your mama dear needs a brand new suit." Well, I hocked my watch and I sold my dog, and upon the gasoline stove I hocked my ring and everything just to keep that woman in clothes. I even pawned a cat and I hocked my boots, and I sold a family car. But that woman of mine will be 109 before I hock my old guitar. Twang, twang a diddle dang, a diddle dang, a twang, twang a diddle dang, another dang twang, another dang twang, another dang twang. She went out one day last week, I guess, and she won't come back until I say yes. In answer to her, "Hawk that, Luke, my old guitar for a swimming suit." That'll be the day when upon my heart, like I pawned the gasoline stove, I hawked my ring and everything just to keep that woman in clothes. I even pawned a cat and I hawked my boots, and I sold a family car. But that woman of mine will be old and blind before I hock my old guitar. Twang, twang a dee, twang, twang a dee, dang, another dang twang, another dang twang, another dang twang. If she don't come back, I won't be sore, 'cause I don't give a hoot about her no more. A man gets tired of hawk that, Luke, that woman of mine's too bad to shoot. Well, I hocked my watch and I sold my dog, and upon the gasoline stove I hocked my ring and everything just to keep that woman in clothes. I even pawned a cat and I hocked my boots, and I sold a family car. But that woman of mine will be in a box of pine before I hock my old guitar. Twang, twang a diddle, twang, twang a diddle, dang, another dang twang.
If a man staggers by and he gives you the eye, and he calls you his very best chum, if he hands you a line and begs for a dime, you've just met old Benny the Bum. Oh, Benny the Bum, you can't afford rum, no, and you ain't got no place to go. So you spend your time with a bottle of wine in a flop house way down on Skid Row. From where do you hail? Maybe just out of jail, or what new strange lands have you seen? Your clothes are all tar from a railway boxcar, and your blue molded tie is now green. Oh, Benny the Bum, why should you be glum when your brand new pair of shoes are aglow? Though one shoe is brown and the other one's black, you're in style way down here on Skid Row. Now the cop on this beat, he's about 7 feet, and he just won't leave Benny alone. 'Cause he thinks it's fun to see Benny run and his wine bottles smash on the stones. But who'd ever dream Benny was seen with the girl of his dreams long ago? Then God bid her come to leave Benny the Bum to live in memories down on Skid Row. Oh, Benny the Bum, he can't afford rum, no, and he ain't got no place to go. So he spends his time with a bottle of wine in a flop house way down on Skid Row.